cover saya kan sorry
close
Borno Sinkebono Yak Bwkhak Klailia Taklaini Salo and Aba Haikino Taklaini Tipra Idol Season 2 Sing Paitago Sing Palika and so Boni Yagolono Pani Numina Halanaisin Bono Price Yafanabagang Numina Hanaisin Buskango Sir Ravindra Debarma EM Education Bono Numina Hanai Buskango Pani Sing Jotono Yapakolan Borni Bagay Bongay second runners up Tipra Idol Season 2 Belai Belaka Hambai Ananta Jamatia, come on, let's give him a round of applause. Bono prize Yapana Bagayang Nuin Hanai Sini Boronglang Shuhel De Burma EM ICA Sports and Youth Affairs. Singjota Yapakola Neborn, come on. Belai Belaka Hambai Bongkai Sini first runners up 1 lakh rupees Kaisa trophy Logyo Boni Yagolo 48-inch TV Botini Manglaka Piaba Saleni Yagolo Sing second and Hari Odoro Bono prize Yapana Bagay Ang Nuwin Hanai Sini TTAADC ni Haphang CEN, Sir Purnachandra Jumatiano. Alright, come on, please, everybody. Blue Spotty Reang, the winner of Tipra Idol Season 2. Ozorowo, Belai Belaka Hambai, Sing, Tipra Idol Season 2 ni winner no, Sing prize, Koimung, Sing Naraknai. The second prize the TV 48-inch ni TV, Awotini Yaparzaglaka, Pia Saleni Yagulo, Abo winner ni Tano Yapare Zaknai. Padi Ozoro sing Paitang Simi Pali. Alright, come on, please, everybody. Blue Spotty Reang, the winner of Tipra Idol Season 2. Ozoro Belai Belaka Hambai Sing Tipra Idol Season 2 ni winner no Sing prize